In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and manage users using Dream Efficiency 5303 on Salesforce. We'll be going through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a clear and comprehensive understanding by the end of this guide. Let's start by accessing Salesforce. First, you'll want to head on over to the home page of your Salesforce dashboard. This is where you can manage everything in your Salesforce environment, and it acts as the central hub for all of your activities within the platform. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice a gear icon, which is integral to customizing your settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This will open up your settings menu, where you can find a variety of options related to your Salesforce environment. Next, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Open Advanced Setup. Advanced Setup is a critical tool for managing your organization's user settings and administration tasks more deeply. Here, you can tweak settings according to your organization's specific needs. Now that you're in the Setup section, you'll notice a search bar labeled Quick Find on the left-hand side. Click in this search bar and type the word Users. Once you've typed in Users, you'll see a Users option pop up in the results. Click on this option. It's important to note that there might be a brief moment as it loads, but be patient. This section is where you'll have the ability to manage all the users in your organization. Now, to add a new user, look for and click on the New button. This will open up a new form where you can input the necessary details for the new user you are adding. Begin by entering the email address of the new user in the appropriate field. It's crucial to ensure that this email is entered correctly, as this will be where their invitation is sent, and any typos could lead to issues in onboarding the user. After entering the email, the next step is to select a profile for the user. Profiles determine what users can see and do within Salesforce. You'll want to select an appropriate profile that matches the new user's role and responsibilities in your organization. Make sure to do this thoughtfully, as picking the right profile ensures that the user has the right access and permissions for their job. Once you've selected the profile, finally, click on Send Invitation. This sends an email invitation to the new user, allowing them to set up their login details and start using Salesforce. After sending the invitation, click on Close to exit the user setup interface. And there you have it. You've successfully gone through the process of setting up a new user in Salesforce using Dream Efficiency 5303. This guide should help streamline your user management workflow, saving you time and ensuring efficiency in your team's setup. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.